Hello students, today our topic is dependence of rate on concentration of reactants. How concentration of reactant, how rate depends on concentration of reactant. So first of all, let's draw relation between time and concentration. Here it is product, it is reactant. Concentration of reactants keep on decreasing while products keep on increasing. Products keep on increasing and reactant keep on decreasing. So as a reaction proceeds, concentration of reactant keep on decreasing and concentration of products keep on increasing. On that basis, there was scientist Goldberg and uh, Vege. In 1867, they proposed that rate is directly proportional to active mass of reactant. They proposed that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the active mass of reactants. That is called law of mass action. What is law of mass action? Rate is directly proportional to active masses of reactant. Rate is directly proportional to active mass of the reactants. Suppose that A of A plus gives products, then rate of the reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant to the power that stoichiometric value A, the concentration of reactant B. But experimentally it is not possible. तो ये दिया था गुलबर्ग और वेगे ने कि रेट जो होता है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है कंसंट्रेशन के, और ये पावर जो आ गया है ये पावर क्या है मेरा, ये एस्टिमेट्रिक वैल्यू है इस रिएक्टेंट का. तो रेट ये दिया था लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन में, बट ये इन्होंने एक अज्यूम करा था. बट अगर प्रैक्टिकली देखा गया एक्सपेरिमेंटली, तो एक्सपेरिमेंटली इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. तो एक्सपेरिमेंटली इस इक्वेशन में क्या चेंज हो गया, एक्सपेरिमेंटली रेट इज इक्वल टू के इंटू ए टू द पावर अल्फा एंड बी टू द पावर बीटा. Why? Because experimentally observed that this reaction may not depend on A and B, it depends on alpha and beta. Now rate is called this. Now what do you mean by order of reaction? That is called rate law and law of mass action. Order of reaction. Order of reaction is what? Order of reaction is alpha plus beta is equal to order of reaction. Alpha plus beta is called order of reaction. Then what is A plus B? A plus B is called molecularity. Now let us understand what is molecularity. The total number of species that is atom, molecules, ions, which are colliding with one another, yeah, each other simultaneously so that the reaction takes place. किसी भी रिएक्शन में जितने रिएक्टेंट और जितने भी रिएक्टेंट्स के मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं जो आपस में कोलाइड करते हैं और प्रोडक्ट बनता है, तो नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं कोलिजन में, इसे हम बोलते हैं मॉलिकुलरिटी. मॉलिकुलरिटी को हम देख कर प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो व्हाट इज मॉलिकुलरिटी? इट इज़ बेसिकली सम ऑफ नंबर ऑफ reactants, sum of number of reactants. So suppose that I have a reaction 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. यहाँ मॉलिकुलरिटी कितनी है? तो नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट कितने हैं? इधर 2 मोल और यहाँ 1 मोल. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल किसी मॉलिकुलरिटी कितनी हो गई? 3. That is trimolecular reaction. Okay. Reactions greater than molecularity 3 is not possible. Not known. Actually they are possible but not known. It is not, because the possibility of simultaneous collision of 3 or more reactant is very rare. That's why molecularity more than 3 is not known. Then now what is the difference between molecularity and order of reaction? Order of reaction and molecularity. Order of reaction is what? Order of reaction is sum of power in rate law. Sum of power in rate law. According to rate law, what? Rate is equal to K into concentration of A to the power alpha and B to the power beta. So sum of power alpha plus beta is equal to order of reaction. Then what is molecularity? Total number of species undergo collision result in a chemical reaction. So number of species undergo collision result in chemical reaction. तो किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन में जितने नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज कोलाइड करते हैं उस केमिकल रिएक्शन को करने के लिए उनकी मॉलिक्यूलरिटी है. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या है? इस रेट लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग जो ये पावर होता है इनको सम कर देंगे तो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन बी डिटरमाइंड ओनली बाय एक्सपेरिमेंटली. इट्स experimental thing and it can be theoretical. Next is order of reaction can be 0. How order of reaction can be 0? If rate of reaction doesn't depend on concentration, then order of reaction will be 0. Molecularity will never 0. ऐसा कभी पॉसिबल है क्या कि कोई रिएक्टेंट के बिना रिएक्टेंट के प्रोडक्ट बन जाए? तो रिएक्टेंट का नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट 0 कभी हो ही नहीं सकता है. नंबर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट कभी 0 हो सकता है? नो. दैट्स वाई मॉलिक्यूलरिटी विल नेवर 0. नेक्स्ट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन बी फ्रैक्शनल बट इट इज ऑलवेज अ होल number. Now let us understand what is a unit of rate constant. Okay. My general equation is mole liter inverse to the power 1 minus n and time inverse. Order and unit. Suppose that order of reaction is 0, then unit is mole liter inverse 1 minus n. N is equal to order of reaction. 1 minus 0 time inverse, that is equal to mole liter inverse time inverse. For first order reaction, it is mole liter inverse 1 minus 1 time inverse. 1 minus 1 means 0. X to the power 0 is equal to 1. Unit become time inverse. For order 2 or second order reaction, it's mole liter inverse 1 minus 2 time inverse. It means mole liter inverse to the power minus 1 time inverse. That is mole inverse liter time inverse. Thank you for today.